Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you doing? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is rearrange. It's very easy and interesting topic. In your exam question paper, some random words will be given. You have to arrange the word into a sentence. But the sentence should be meaningful and grammatically accurate. How you will change the sentence? Now I will discuss today. Let's have a look. Here are some exercise has been taken from your suggestion. My first question is he, how, learn, he, did, he lesson. So this is my question. Now you have to arrange the words into a sentence. First of all, you need to find out the subject. Here is given WS question, so I think it's our interrogative sentence. So write first WS question, how. As it is past tense, that's why you have to select this auxiliary verb as past tense. How did, then write subject. How did, subject is he. How did he, now write principal verb of the sentence. Learn is our principal verb, so write here. How did he learn? And extension, the rest of the part of the sentence, his lesson. My sentence is finished. Now give question mark at the end of the sentence because it's our interrogative sentence. Here I have followed the structure of WS question, interrogative sentence. First of all, WS question, then auxiliary verb, then I have followed here subject, and then I have written here main verb. Finally, extension. I have applied these rules in the first one. Second one, no, I drive to. So first of all, we need to write subject here, I. Then principal verb, know. This is know here. I know. Then write this conjunction. I know how to drive. I know how to drive. The structure I followed here, subject first, then principal verb or main verb, then the extension. Okay, then the third one, our mother is Bangla tongue. So write first subject, the subject is here Bangla. So Bangla should be capital, first letter should be capital as is the name of a language, that's why first B should be capital in letter, then write verb. Bangla is our. Which one? Bangla. Bangla is our mother tongue. Mother tongue. Okay, then give full stop at the end of the sentence. As our assertive sentence, you must give full stop at the end of the sentence. It also followed this structure. Fourth one, go, now, let, to, know, once. So write first subject here is our assertive sentence. Main verb. And it's our present tense, that's why this extra s should be given here because your subject is third person. He wants what? He wants to go. He wants to go when? Now. Give full stop at the end of the sentence. The rules is here, subject first, then main verb, and then infinitive. Okay, then 5 number, add, go, do, night, not, out. Here is not given any subject, so we must remember if there is not given any subject, then the sentence should be imperative sentence. So write here, do, then negative word not, do not, then write the main verb go. Do not go where? Out. Do not go out when? At night. It's our imperative sentence. Do not go out at night. All words are selected here. First of all, do, then not given, out also given, go, night, all are selected. Next, number 6. Today, very it cold is. It's our assertive sentence. Write first subject, it. Then write verb, it's very. How? It's very. What? Cold. Very cold when? Today. Give full stop. Number 7. Just a ruler was he. Assertive sentence, so write subject first. He, then verb is here. He was what? He was just a ruler. Give full stop. Okay, then number 8. ate it now, past is have. So it's also assertive sentence. It's have, past, ate now. Give full stop. It's 8:30 now. Okay, then number 9, reading habit, newspaper, make a, as there is not given any subject, so it means that it also are imperative sentence. So start writing from main verb. Make a habit, make a habit of reading newspaper. Give full stop. Okay, then number 10, make a habit of reading newspaper. Now number 10 is our interrogative sentence. So write first W's question, what, then write auxiliary verb, what is the name of your sister. Finally give question mark because it's our interrogative sentence. What is the name of your sister? Okay, number 11, success, the key to is industry. It's our proverb. The proverb is industry. Industry is the key to success. Give full stop. Okay, number 12, poet, your favorite is who? It's our interrogative sentence again because we have got here W's question. Right here W's question first. Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite poet? Finally give question mark. Finally give question mark. Who is your favorite poet? Number 13, Caught has baby. It also our assertive sentence. So write first the baby. Write this auxiliary verb, have verb, as it our third person singular, that's why has here. The baby has caught. It's our past participle form of cuff, catch. It comes from catch. The baby has caught cold. The baby has caught cold. Okay, now 14 number. It also our imperative sentence. Keep, write first main verb. Keep my bag with you. This is our requesting sentence. All requesting, commanding and advice sentence is known as imperative sentence. An imperative sentence starts with main verb, and here there will be no given any subject first. Keep my bag with you. Number 15, the last one, it also our assertive sentence. 8 subject, then write auxiliary verb. It was adverb very. It was very hot when yesterday. Give full stop. It was very hot yesterday. So this is the way you need to rearrange the words into sentence. You must exercise at home. Now take your HW. Your HW number 14 and lecture number also 14. Your HW has been taken from your suggestion. The topic is competency based question. Question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 and 2 has been taken from your suggestion. Item number 10. Question item number 10 at the last portion of your suggestion. This competency based question, this 2, number 1 and 2 is HW. I am reading out your question. The topic is read the instruction about the truth, telling the truth. It is your topic. First question, always tell the truth, never tell a lie. Remember that nobody believes a liar. If you tell a lie, everybody will hate you. Speak the truth and you will be respected. Now regarding 3 questions are here. Remember, these are the answer of question number C. These are the answer will be given in your question and question of number C. Again, the same way, second one, topic is making a glass of cool sherbet. The questions and C number answer is given here. Take a glass of cool water, put 2 spoonfuls of sugar in it, put a pinch of salt into it, put some lemon juice into it, stir the mix with a spoon. Questions are, what are the ingredients needed to make sharbat? When do you need cool sharbat? And how do you make a glass of lemon sharbat? And this question answer is given in your question paper. These are the answer of question number C. But remember, question number A and B answer can vary from student to student, from person to person. It comes from your mind. You can write as your own way. But question number C is fixed. Its answer will be given in your question paper. It's very interesting. So stay home, stay well, and submit this HW coming Sunday and collect the previous also. Take preparation for annual examination. Listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.